Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free Instagram account. To avoid any mistakes, make sure to watch the video until the end, and of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's now move on to the tutorial video. You can easily open a free Instagram account from your computer, phone, or tablet. Let's get started right away. Search for Instagram in the Google search engine. Among the results, go to the Instagram.com website, and in the window that appears, click on the Sign Up section. In the window that opens, you need to fill in the blank spaces with your phone number or email address, first and last name, and the username you want to use. Make sure that the username has not been taken by someone else. If you enter a username that has already been taken, you will see a red cross mark. Finally, fill in the password section and press the register button. Remember, your password must be at least 8 characters long. If you have filled in the password field and pressed the register button, a code will be sent to your phone or email address. You can log in by entering this code in the provided field. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it. For more informative and educational videos, don't forget to subscribe to the Resolved channel. Thank you very much for watching.